Welcome to Prestige Car Supermarket and this 2019 Audi A4 35S line. Now some of this car's key features include the Manhattan grey paintwork, these silver 19-inch alloys, rear privacy glass, the black leather and Alcantara interior with the S Sport seats, 3-zone climate control, Audi's virtual cockpit, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and front and rear parking aid. Around the front of the car you get LED headlights, chrome badging and chrome trim. To the side of the car you get a chrome window surround along with gloss black B and C pillar trim and this S-line badge here on the front wing. To the rear of the car you get more chrome badging along with LED tail lights, parking sensors and chrome trim. Now this car's powered by a 2-litre diesel engine making around 148 brake horsepower. And that power goes to the front wheels through this 7-speed S Tronic DSG automatic gearbox. Some of this car's other features include the brushed aluminium interior trim, S branded door sill trims, this leather multifunction S steering wheel with perforation and shift paddles, cruise control and a speed limiter, this Audi MMI infotainment system which includes satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth and voice control, heated front seats, a start-stop button, a controller for the infotainment system, a perforated leather gear selector, and Audi Drive Select including efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic and individual. That's our 2019 Audi A4 35S line.